In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage media galleries on WordPress.com. Whether you're a seasoned user or a beginner, organizing and optimizing your media is a crucial step in enhancing the feel and functionality of your website. Let's dive in and explore this essential skill. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your WordPress.com account. Open your web browser and navigate to the WordPress login page. Simply search for WordPress.com login on your preferred search engine, and it should be the top result. Once you're on the login page, enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Now that we're on the main WordPress.com page, let's move on and locate the area where it says Everything you need to build your website. Click on it. This will give you access to the additional tools you need to build and customize your website effectively, bringing us closer to managing our media galleries. At this point, we need to head over to the WordPress admin page. If you're working locally, you might already be familiar with this step. Click to access your admin page, where you'll find all your site management tools and options. Once at the admin page, look for the dashboard. This is your command central on WordPress. Click on it to ensure you're oriented and ready to dive into specifics about the media galleries. Remember, the dashboard layout may vary depending on your theme or plugins, but the media option is generally consistent across different setups. Now let's get to the step we've been waiting for. Managing your media. Find the media section on the left-hand side and give it a click. This will give you access to all the photos, videos, and other media files you've uploaded to your site. Seeing them organized this way makes it much easier to manage. To edit media specifics, select a file from your library and click on it. This opens up detailed settings for the media item. Here, we're going to enhance accessibility and SEO by adding alternative text. This text describes the image content, allowing search engines and screen readers to understand and convey its meaning. Not just that, you can also add a caption. Captions appear below your images and can provide context or credit for the media. Next up, the description field allows you to add more detailed information about your media, which can be helpful for your organizational purposes. One handy feature here is that WordPress automatically saves these changes as you make them. So you don't need to worry about hitting a save button every time you adjust a piece of information. It's all done for you seamlessly. If you need to make tweaks to the image itself, like cropping or rotating, take advantage of the Edit Image option. Here, you can edit the image directly within WordPress without needing external software, making this the one-stop shop for your media needs. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to managing media galleries on WordPress.com. With these skills, your website will not only look better, but also function in a way that is more user-friendly and optimized for search engines. Thanks for watching, and happy media managing.